Maxton Hall, the world between us. It is officially at war. After that devastating cliffhanger, Ruby is suspended. Her Oxford dreams are shattered, and all the evidence points to the one person she trusted most, James Buford. Get ready because Maxton Hall Season 3 is not just a love story, it is a high stakes battle for the truth, a final confrontation with Mortimer, and the ultimate test of whether Ruby and James survive the destructive lie that separated them. Maxton Hall Season 3 has wrapped filming, and the plot centers on a major crisis for Ruby and James' relationship and Ruby's Oxford dreams. The series is anticipated to conclude with this season, which adapts Mona Caston's third trilogy installment, Save Us. Season 3 picks up right after the cliffhanger where Ruby is suspended from Maxton Hall and barred from taking her final exams, effectively destroying her dream of going to Oxford. All the evidence suggests that James is responsible for leaking the compromising photo that led to her expulsion. This creates a massive rift between them, and Ruby feels completely betrayed, questioning if she ever truly knew the real James. James must now fight relentlessly to clear Ruby's name and ensure she can graduate. This means he has to challenge once again his father, Mortimer, and the powerful system of Maxton Hall. James' efforts to protect Ruby force him into a confrontation with his father, Mortimer Buford, who is the source of much of manipulation and deceit. Ruby and James discover a terrible truth about the circumstances surrounding the photo leak and the Buford family's actions, which reveals just how deep the conspiracy goes. The plot will likely address to consequences of Cordelia's death and her will. In the book, the will revelation leads to a major shakeup in the Buford family's control over their business, possibly putting James and Lydia in charge. The storyline will continue to follow Lydia Buford's journey, particularly concerning her secret relationship with teacher Graham Sutton and the complex development of her pregnancy. Well, now moving towards the release date, if we look at the release pattern for the last two seasons, it is noticeable that season 1 and season 2 were released in 2024 and 2025 respectively. So we can expect the next Maxton Hall season 3 to release in 2026. From the library meet cute to a devastating suspension, it has been an unforgettable journey. Maxton Hall season 3 is not just an ending, it is the culmination of every secret, every tear, and every stolen kiss. It forces us to ask, is love truly enough to fix everything that's broken? Now it's your turn. Hit that like button if you are ready for the Save Us adaptation. Subscribe for all my breakdowns and Maxton Hall news and tell me who is the biggest threat to Ruby and James now that Mortimer is gone.